All right, let's dive in. Today we're looking at Costco.
Costco.
Yeah, you know that retail giant that seems to be totally defying gravity in this crazy economy?
Absolutely.
We're going deep with a recent article from the Motley Fool to see how they're not just surviving,
Right.
but
Killing it.
absolutely crushing it while others are,
Floundering.
yeah, floundering big time.
Big time.
It's wild. So think about other big names, right?
Yes.
Starbucks.
Uh-huh.
People are ditching those $6 lattes
Oh, yeah.
and just brewing at home to save some cash.
Makes sense.
Right. Or Target, they're dealing with
Margin squeezes.
margin squeezes because of all the discounts they're having to do.
Right.
And those supply chain issues that never seem to end.
It's a mess out there.
It's a mess. And it's not just the big guys either.
No.
Even Dollar General, you think of them as the discount place.
Right, for sure.
They're dealing with shrink, which is basically theft.
Oh.
And their margins are shrinking too because,
Their customer base.
their customers are really feeling the economic pinch.
Yeah. Thanks.
So it's like this retail hurricane out there.
Oh, boy.
But Costco's just sailing along, treasure chest full.
That's amazing.
The Motley Fool article says they've got 7.5% revenue growth,
Wow.
12.8% earnings per share growth, and get this,
What?
margin expansion.
No way. That's unheard of right now.
It's like they have a secret weapon or something.
They do. And it's their membership model.
Okay, so for anyone who hasn't done the Costco thing,
The Costco run, yeah.
let's break this down, this membership deal.
Okay.
You pay an annual fee. It's $65 for the basic one.
Yeah.
And that gets you access to
Everything.
all these crazy discounted items.
Sleepy
This
discounts.
sounds pretty simple, right?
On the surface, yeah.
But I bet there's more to it.
Oh, there is.
Because those membership fees, that's got to be a lot of money for Costco.
Oh, it's huge.
Right.
How much are we talking? Well, hold on to your hat, because those fees,
Okay.
they make up over half their operating income.
Seriously? Over half?
53% to be
Yeah.
exact.
Wow. I never would have guessed.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
So they're basically making most of their profit from the memberships themselves,
Exactly.
not just from selling all that stuff.
Precisely.
That's wild. So that means they can keep their prices on the actual products super low.
Super low, razor-thin margins,
How low are we talking?
1.7% on products.
1.7%. What? That's
Almost nothing.
yeah. No wonder they can offer those insane deals.
It's their secret weapon.
But wait, if they're practically giving away the products, how are they still making money and expanding their margins?
Because that 53% from the membership fees,
Right.
that's pure profit.
Okay, I get it.
Allows them to reinvest in ways that other retailers can't.
So they're playing a whole different game here.
A whole different game.
But let's be real. It can't just be about low prices,
Right.
right? There's got to be something more to this Costco experience
There is.
that keeps people coming back for more.
Oh, for sure. It's a whole bunch of things.
Like what?
Well, they've invested a ton in security.
Okay.
Not just to protect their stuff, but to make it a better shopping experience for you.
Yeah, I get that. I've always felt safe in Costco, even with those giant aisles.
Exactly. And they treat their employees really well.
Okay.
They get better pay and benefits than a lot of other retailers in that category.
So it's not just about saving money.
No.
It's about feeling good about where you shop.
Right.
I like that.
And it shows because they have happier, more engaged employees.
Which makes for a better shopping experience.
Precisely.
It all comes together.
It does.
But they're not just attracting bargain hunters,
See,
right?
that's it all.
I see all kinds of people there.
It's a diverse crowd.
Yeah, it's like everyone's figured out the Costco secret,
You get budget-conscious shoppers
right?
and people who could shop anywhere, but they choose Costco for the value.
It's amazing how they've made this image of quality and value at the same time.
It's pretty unique.
You wouldn't think you'd find fancy brands at a discount warehouse, but they do it.
They do.
I mean, you can find everything there.
Everything. High-end jewelry.
Vacations.
Cruises.
Cruises? I didn't even know they did cruises.
Oh, yeah. And they even have stuff like Peloton bikes.
So it's not just giant tubs of mayonnaise and bulk toilet paper.
Nope. They've curated this whole experience that goes way beyond the basics.
It's like they hacked the system somehow.
In a way, they have.
You pay the membership, and it feels like an investment.
It is an investment.
Because you get access to all these exclusive deals.
You're part of the club.
Yeah, it's like you're in the know.
Exactly.
And it goes beyond just saving money.
It does.
It's like you're buying into this lifestyle.
a community of savvy shoppers.
Yeah, a community of people who get it, who appreciate quality and value.
And that's where the real magic happens.
That's brilliant. But is this model really sustainable long term?
Well, that's a big question.
Right. I mean, the economy could change again.
It could.
And maybe people won't want to pay for a membership anymore.
That's possible, but you have to consider their adaptability.
Okay, let's talk about that.
Let's do it.
The article mentioned that they're really good at
Riding the wave.
yeah, riding the wave of whatever's happening.
Capitalizing on trends.
Like right now, with food prices so high,
Oh, yeah.
people are cooking at home more.
More than ever.
And Costco's right there with them,
Absolutely.
offering bulk buys on premium meats and produce.
Smart move.
So they're not just sitting back and watching the world change.
No way.
They're reacting and adjusting.
Costing.
So it's not just about having a solid foundation.
Oh.
It's about being flexible enough to navigate the market.
You gotta be nimble.
Nimble, that's the word. Okay, I'm hooked.
Me too.
Let's dig deeper into this adaptability thing.
Let's see how they do it.
This Costco mystery is getting more interesting by the minute.
I know, right? Yeah, it's this whole adaptability thing.
That makes me think they're not just, lucky. They're not just riding a good economy. They're built to last,
Built for the long haul.
Like they understand what people want, even before they know they want it.
They're ahead of the curve.
Like right now, everyone's trying to save money.
Of course.
And Costco's like, we got bulk buys. We got value.
They were ready for this.
It makes you wonder if other businesses could learn from them.
For sure.
Like imagine a streaming service with a membership model.
Interesting.
Like you pay a fee and get all these perks.
They are kind of doing that already?
Yeah, like different tiers of membership.
Premium content, early releases, bundled stuff.
Right. And there's all those subscription boxes now.
For everything.
Makeup, pet stuff, you name it.
It's the membership model creeping in.
So Costco was kind of ahead of the game.
They were pioneers.
Showing how powerful this membership thing can be.
Financially and for building loyalty.
That loyalty is huge these days.
Huge. There's just so much choice out there.
It's hard to stand out.
But Costco, they've cracked the code.
They've got this brand that people trust.
A community.
Yeah, like you're part of something.
It's not just a store. It's an experience.
You nailed it. It's that community feeling.
Right.
You walk into Costco, and it's like everyone's in on the secret.
Everyone's got the giant carts.
Yeah. It's like a treasure hunt.
Exactly.
I always feel that excitement in Costco.
It's contagious.
Like anything is possible.
And you're getting a deal.
Yeah. It's a game. Finding the best deals, stocking up.
They've gamified shopping.
That's it. But this membership idea,
Yeah.
could it go beyond just retail and these boxes?
I think so.
Like, what else could use this model?
Let me think.
Give me some examples.
Okay, how about healthcare?
Healthcare, interesting.
Yeah, like a membership for doctor's visits.
Wow. Like a healthcare concierge.
Exactly.
Always there to help you out.
Making sure you get the best care.
I could see that.
Or how about education?
Okay, educating.
Membership to online learning platforms.
So like exclusive courses and stuff.
Curated content, mentorship, the works.
That would be amazing. Making education more accessible.
Creating communities of learners.
I love that idea.
The possibilities are really endless.
It's all about understanding what people want.
And giving them value.
And that feeling of belonging.
Exactly.
So are we saying the Costco model is the future?
Whoa, hold on.
Okay, maybe not everything.
It's not a magic formula.
But there's definitely something to learn from them.
Tons to learn.
It's about thinking differently.
Understanding your customers.
Building a brand that means something.
More than just a transaction.
Creating an experience.
That connects with people.
That makes them feel valued.
Part of something special.
And in this world, with so many choices,
That connection is everything.
it's priceless. So, what does this all mean for us?
Yeah, good question.
If you're running a business,
Right.
you're probably thinking, can I do the Costco thing?
Could I make this work for me?
Right? And for everyone else.
The consumers.
Yeah. Are there other places doing this?
Hidden gems with this kind of value built in?
Like secret Costco's out there?
Maybe. It really depends on the product or service.
Okay.
And if people would actually want to pay a membership.
Would you pay a membership for, I don't know, give me an example.
Your favorite local bakery.
My bakery.
Yeah, like unlimited croissants.
Ooh, that's tempting.
But a membership for pastries.
I'd have to think about that.
Right. It's not always a slam dunk.
Exactly. Costco's success comes from a lot of things.
Like what?
Well, those deep discounts are huge.
Yeah.
And that treasure hunt feeling.
Get excitement.
And their employees are great. The culture there.
Okay.
They focus on quality, and they're always on top of trends.
It's like a perfect recipe.
It is, and they've perfected it.
You know, we started trying to figure out how Costco's doing so well.
But it feels like we found this blueprint for success.
Yeah.
That goes way beyond just selling stuff.
Totally. It's about the brand.
The identity.
The community.
And always keeping up with what people want.
Always evolving.
So everyone listening,
think about it.
Are there businesses you love that could do this membership thing?
Or maybe you're already part of something amazing
that we didn't even mention.
We want to hear about it. Share your thoughts, your examples.
Down in the comments.
Yeah, let's keep this conversation going.
This whole deep dive has been about Costco doing things differently.
Thinking outside the box.
And who knows, maybe their story will inspire you.
To create something awesome.
To innovate, to build something new.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us on this Costco adventure.
We hope you learned something new.
Had some aha moments.
And maybe you're even planning your next Costco run.
Gotta stock up on those samples.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning.
Diving deep.
And we'll see you on the next Deep Dive.
See ya.